So before discussing about the short methods to solve the ratios, numericals or problems related to ratios, I just need to discuss a small thing about the ratio. So what is the ratio? When we say the ratio is 3:4, this means that there are total parts are 7, and this 3 is 3 part of total 7 parts, and this 4 is nothing but 4 part of total 7 part. Now what does, if I say there is a circle and this circle is divided in 4 parts, 1 2 3 and 4, and when I say just divide this circle in the ratio of 3:1, then it means that these 3 parts part is divided. Okay, so this one part and this total 3 parts are separated. So when we say ratio is of 2:5, so there are total 7 parts of anything. Okay, this will be cleared when we say solve some questions. So let's go to the question and then you will get cleared about it. Okay, so the question is 7. We have to divide the number 720 in the ratio of 2:3, and as I said, there are the ratio is of 2:3. The total parts is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So there are total 5 parts of the number 720. Okay, this it means that if there is a line of 720 centimeter, we divided it in 5 parts, 1 2 3 4 and 5, like this. And we have said that what is 2 parts of this line and what is 3 parts of this line. So it is simple. What we have to do is multiply 720 into 2 parts of total 5 parts and 720 into 3 parts of total 5 parts. Okay, so the answer will be, first answer will be 288 and the second answer will be 432. It can be done with solving some equations, but this is a general method which we are use. But the aptitude is about how you solve the problems in the short time. So this is the short method you can use. Okay, let's discuss the another problem. So this is the second type of problem where you have to said divide any number in the ratio of a:2 b:2 c. Okay, this is in last problem we have to divide the ratio of 2 numbers. Here we have to divide it in ratio of 3 numbers. So just add these numbers, like 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 4 9. So there are total 9 parts. The same concept, there is a line of 720. This is just an example I just want to take for solving. Okay, so if there are 9 parts, I divide this line in 9 parts, and then I ask you what are the 2 parts of this line, what are the 3 parts of this line, and what are the 4 parts of this line. So what we have to do is multiply 720 into 2 parts of total 9 parts, 720 into 3 parts of total 9 parts, and 720 into 4 parts of total 9 parts. So the answers whatever come are the divided the numbers which we divided. Okay, so the answers are like 160, 240 and 320. You can practice these questions now, and then you will get complete concept of it. So the next type of questions in ratios is you are given with 2 ratios like a:b and b:c, and they will ask you that what will be the combination of this ratio. So it will be as this said, a:b:c. Okay, so the resultant ratio will be a:b:c. So how to calculate this ratio? This can be calculated easily. Just remember, if a:b, b:c, so the a will be b and c. A will be a into b, and this b will be b into b, and this c will be b into c. Okay, now let's solve this question. The question is a:b ratio is 4:5, and the ratio between the salary of b and c is 3:4. So the second ratio given is 3:4. We have to calculate find the salary of C if A is earning 3600. Okay, this is a simple question. Now the first ratio we have to calculate A into B. So just remember these arrows, like A to B, B to the B, and B to C. So 4 into 3, 3 into 5, and 5 into 4. So the ratio will 12, 15 and 20. Okay, now we got this ratio like 12 as to 15 as to 20, and then we are asked for what is value for C. So as the ratio of A as to C is 12 and 20, so we can write any ratio, like if the ratio is A as to B equal to A upon B. So we are writing here like A upon C is equal to 3 upon 5. Here the ratio is 12 and 20. We reduced it by dividing it by common number. Every ratio we have to divide it by common number to reduce it to its reduced form. Okay, so A as to C is equal to 3 upon 5, and now here from here we can calculate C like 5 into A divided by 3. Okay, this is the simple form we can calculate C, and the value of C is 6000. You can solve these questions to practice more. Again, there are third type of questions where three ratios are given, like here as we see there is a ratio of A as to B, which is 3 as to 5, and then B as to C like 4 as to 5, and C as to D, which is 6 as to 7. Now they are asking for the salary of D when the salary for A is given. So the basically what we have to do is, we are given with A as to B, B as to C and C as to D. We have to find the complete ratio, combination of this ratio like A as to B as to C as to D, and from this ratio we will get A as to D, and as like last problem we will calculate the salary of D. So let's see how to solve this type of problems.